So you know what, we're gonna jump right into this video and talk all about this hair that I am rocking. It's been a little minute since I've done a wig review here on my channel, and I have to say this has got to be easily one of my top favorite wigs that I have ever worn. Like literally, you guys, I mean, come on. Look at this hair. I kind of feel like I'm rocking a sew-in, and I've never ever had a wig with a bang before, so this was my first time even seeing how I look with a bang. But anyways, before I get into all of that jazz, I just want to say, you guys, guess how much I paid for this wig? I'm gonna give you like a quick second to guess. So did any of you guys guess that I paid $15 for this wig? $15, you guys. Like, you heard correct. I honestly don't feel like this wig screams 15 bucks. I don't know. What do you guys think? But I feel like this looks at least like it would be like a $45 and up kind of wig. Like, I really like it. I feel like it doesn't look that wiggy at all. Alrighty, you guys, so I am currently rocking Freetress Equal Wig in the style Amberly, and the color is 1B. And this hair is actually curling iron safe, which is super dope. And I'm rocking the color 1B. So now for how it feels, you guys, I'm like addicted to running my fingers through this hair. It's like a silky, yucky texture. It feels so nice, so natural, and it has like a really pretty natural sheen to it. I did put some hairspray, but I will insert a section of this video either before or after showing you guys me with this wig straight out of the box. I do want to say I literally didn't do anything to this wig but trim it a little bit, not that much. But yeah, you guys can just get the wig out of the box and pop it right on your head and you're good to go. That's one thing I really like about it. Okay, so when I got this wig, I couldn't help it. I had to put it on my head. And then when I put it on my head, it looked a little humpy at the top, and I was like, I'm not really feeling this. So I put it on a mannequin head, and I put like a headscarf over it. I saw that tip online, and I tried that. And so in the clip that you guys will see, that's the second day, and I put it on, and it didn't look as humpy to me. So I was like, okay, but it was still kind of like, you know. So tell me how, after a day of errands, and I'm coming back to review this hair for you guys, I'm like, let me brush it out. I see that some of the hair that was kind of like, you'll see it in the video a little bit, like here, it was short. So I'm like, why is it shorter? It's a part of the bang. You'll see in the clip, the bang is like kind of thin, which I really like. I feel like it makes it look more natural. However, that's what was causing it to look a little more humpy. So please brush the hair out properly and just make sure there's not like short specks, because to be honest with you, it looks really good now. Like, I don't feel uncomfortable with it. I could totally see me rocking this. I do want to say that this hair has a natural bump to the ends of it, and I thought about straightening it. However, I was like, if I'm gonna wear this hair out, it's just gonna fall naturally. And if you can tell, it does kind of fall naturally. And if you do have like your own natural hair or whatnot, you want it to have volume. So I kept the bump, and it will start to fall gradually over time. So I think that's cool. And now that you can see, the bang looks fuller than in the clip. However, it's still not as thick and wavy as some bangs usually look. I feel like it still looks super natural. And I just want to show you guys quickly what I used to cut the bang. I used these hair scissors, and I hardly cut it. Like, honestly, I didn't do much, but just like right around my eye I cut it. And as you can see, it has like a natural like cut to it. It looks so natural the way they style this hair. Like, the bang is just like kind of falling this way, and the cap size is really snug. It has no clips, so it's literally just a cap, and it has like adjustable straps. I think it would be friendly for any size head because you can adjust it however you want. If you want to make it more secure, you can definitely put some bobby pins or something like that. That's pretty much it. I think I mentioned all the really important juicy deets of this hair. I will put the website. I personally purchased it from samsbeauty.com. I'm not sponsored. I did not get this hair for free or anything like that. I just been using their site. I don't have a problem with their site, and their prices are pretty good. So that's the site I used. I will put all the information to this hair in the description box below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Smack that subscribe button and the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.